Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever suspected that a younger woman might not be entirely faithful, but you're not sure what signs to look for? Today, we're going straight to the point and discussing the signs that might indicate she's cheating. By the end of this video, you'll understand these warning signals better and be more equipped to address concerns in your relationship. Make sure you stick around for our bonus tip at the end of the video. It's a key piece of advice for effectively recognizing and handling these signs. Don't miss it. Before we go on, if you're curious about improving your dating skills, why not book a free 60-minute strategy call? Just click the link below. Ready to get to the heart of the matter? Let's jump right into it. 1. Changes in communication patterns. When it comes to relationships, especially with a younger woman, open and regular communication is your compass. It helps you navigate through the day's events, emotions, and plans. Now, if you start noticing she's not sharing her daily experiences with you like she used to, it might be time to pay attention. This isn't just about missing out on what she had for lunch or who she ran into at the gym. It's about noticing a shift in how much she lets you into her life. A sudden decrease in communication can be a red flag. If those good morning texts start coming in less frequently, or if you find yourself out of the loop on her day-to-day activities, it could indicate that she's pulling away emotionally. This detachment might not just be about finding hobbies or interests outside of what you share. It could suggest that her emotional investment in the relationship is waning. This cooling off might be subtle at first. Maybe she's not as quick to share a funny incident from work or discuss how her day went. It's these small moments of sharing that build the mosaic of intimacy between you two. When pieces of that start to go missing, the overall picture can begin to look quite different. So what do? First, don't jump to conclusions. Communication is a two-way street, and maybe it's a good idea to express your observations. Mention that you've noticed these changes and gently ask if there's anything on her mind. Sometimes, just opening up a dialogue about your observations can help bridge any growing distance. 2. Altered interest in appearance. Has she started dressing differently all of a sudden? A change in wardrobe or grooming habits that comes out of the blue might raise a few eyebrows. This isn't about a new haircut or buying a couple of new outfits. It's about a significant shift in how she presents herself. If she's suddenly wearing styles or colors she never liked before, or if she's spending unusually more time on makeup and hair, it might not just be a fashion phase. Sometimes when someone starts dressing differently without explanation, it could suggest they're being influenced by someone new or trying to impress someone outside of your relationship. This can especially stand out if the new style aligns with trends or preferences you know aren't coming from you. Of course, people evolve their looks, and that's perfectly normal. However, if these changes are accompanied by secrecy, or if she's hesitant to tell you about why she's changing up her style, you might want to keep an eye on this development. It's always a good idea to talk about these changes openly. You might simply say, "I've noticed you've changed up your style a bit. What inspired this?" It's a non-confrontational way to start a conversation and might give you better insights into her motivations. Who knows? It could just be a new season in her personal style book, or maybe there's more to it. Either way, getting clarity directly from her can put your mind at ease or alert you to deeper issues in the relationship. 3. Increased privacy with technology. Have you noticed any new habits around her phone or computer use? If she's suddenly changed all her passwords, added extra layers of security, or her phone is now off limits to you, these could be signs worth noting. Increased privacy with technology doesn't automatically spell trouble, but it's definitely something you shouldn't ignore. Let's say her phone used to be left casually around the house, and now it's always glued to her, or she's started turning it face down. Maybe she steps out of the room to take calls, or you've noticed more notifications popping up, but she dismisses them when you're around. These shifts in how she handles her tech can suggest she's keeping parts of her digital life under wraps. It's also worth paying attention to times when she's unreachable. If there are blocks of time when she doesn't respond to calls or texts, and this is out of character for her, it might raise some questions. This is particularly striking if she previously had a pattern of being quite responsive. Addressing these changes doesn't have to be confrontational. You could bring it up casually, perhaps mentioning that you've noticed these changes and are wondering if there's any particular reason for them. This approach keeps the conversation open and non-accusatory, which is more likely to lead to an honest discussion about what's really going on. 4. More time spent away from home. Is she suddenly spending a lot more time out of the house? New hobbies or extra work hours can seem to appear out of nowhere, and while they can be entirely innocent, they might also be worth paying attention to. If your partner has recently taken up rock climbing, joined a new book club, or started working late consistently, it's a good idea to take note of these changes. If these new activities come with vague explanations or defensiveness when you ask about them, they might be a sign of something more. Has she started going to the gym more frequently, but doesn't invite you along? Or maybe she's suddenly got late meetings and work trips that weren't part of her routine before. These could be signs that she's finding ways to spend time away from you. The key here is to look at the context. If she's genuinely excited about a new hobby and wants to share it with you, that's a positive sign. But if she's evasive about what she's doing or whom she's with, it might be worth a closer look. Discussing these changes openly is crucial. You could say something like, "I've noticed you've been spending a lot of extra time at work lately," or "You've picked up some new activities. Is everything okay?" This approach shows concern without jumping to conclusions and opens the door for her to explain. Remember, it's important to approach this topic with an open mind and a willingness to understand her perspective. It's not about accusing, but about maintaining trust and transparency in your relationship. Appreciating the advice? If you want to dive deeper, our free 60-minute strategy call is perfect for those ready to change their dating dynamics. Learn powerful strategies to meet more women and build your confidence. Secure your spot via the link in the pinned comment. 5. Indifference or avoidance. Have you noticed a sudden lack of interest in activities you both used to enjoy? This indifference or avoidance can be a significant sign of emotional detachment. If she's no longer enthusiastic about your weekly movie nights, your favorite restaurant dates, or even simple walks together, it might be a signal that something is amiss. When she used to be excited to spend time with you and now seems disinterested or even avoids making plans, it's worth paying attention. This shift can often indicate that she's emotionally withdrawing from the relationship. Maybe she frequently cancels plans, shows up late, or seems distracted when you're together. These behaviors can all be signs that her attention and emotional investment might be elsewhere. It's important to remember that everyone has off days or even weeks, but a consistent pattern of disinterest is what you need to look out for. If she used to love going to concerts with you and now always has an excuse not to go, this change in behavior could suggest that her feelings or priorities have shifted. To address this, consider bringing it up in a non-confrontational way. You might say, "I've noticed we haven't been doing state activity together as much lately. Is there something on your mind?" This opens up the conversation without immediately jumping to conclusions and allows her to share what might be bothering her. Open communication is key. It's about understanding the underlying reasons for her behavior and working together to address any issues in your relationship. 6. Accusations or defensiveness. If you notice that she's suddenly accusing you of cheating or becoming unusually defensive, it might be more than just a coincidence. Sometimes when someone is cheating, they project their guilt onto their partner. This tactic is known as projection, and it can be quite disorienting. If she starts questioning your whereabouts more frequently or gets suspicious over minor things, take note. Accusations can come out of nowhere, and often, they might not seem to make sense given your behavior. This sudden shift can be a defense mechanism to divert attention away from her own actions. Another thing to watch for is defensiveness. If she gets defensive or hostile when you ask simple questions about her day or her plans, it might be a sign she's hiding something. This is especially true if she reacts with anger or tries to turn the conversation around to focus on your actions instead of hers. It's crucial to approach this delicately. You might say something like, "I've noticed you seem a bit defensive when I ask about your day. Is everything okay?" This opens the door for an honest conversation without making direct accusations. It's important to maintain trust and keep the lines of communication open. Remember, not every accusation or defensive behavior is a sign of cheating, but consistent patterns combined with other signs can indicate there might be deeper issues to address in your relationship. Stay observant and communicate openly to understand what's really going on. Bonus tip: trust your instincts. Trusting your instincts is essential when it comes to relationships. If something feels off, it's worth paying attention to those feelings. While the signs we've discussed can indicate potential cheating, they are not definitive proof. Everyone has off days and unique circumstances that might explain changes in behavior. Communication is your best tool. If you're feeling uneasy, talk to your partner about your concerns. Approach the conversation with openness and a genuine desire to understand what might be going on. This can help clarify misunderstandings and bring you closer together. Sometimes talking isn't enough, and that's okay. Seeking couples counseling can be a great way to navigate these challenging feelings. A neutral third party can help both of you express your concerns and find solutions together. Counseling isn't just for when things go wrong, it can also strengthen your relationship and improve communication skills. Remember, these signs are only indicators. They don't guarantee that infidelity is happening. It's important not to jump to conclusions or make accusations without clear evidence. Trust your gut, but also give your partner the opportunity to explain and address any issues. Ultimately, maintaining trust and open communication is key. If you're ever in doubt, take a step back, assess the situation calmly, and have an honest conversation with your partner. Building a healthy, trusting relationship takes effort from both sides, but it's worth it. So now you know ways to tell a younger woman is cheating on you. What's next for you? Discover 6 lies younger women tell you when using an older guy, or learn when to walk away from a younger woman. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.